Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today we'll study 44 most important MCQs on the chapter The Enemy from Vistus, chapter 4. So let's begin. Before starting, I would like to remind you, do let me know how many answers were correct from you. You need to attempt it before me and then tell me in comment section how many answers were correct. The first one, the name of the main character in the enemy is. Who is the protagonist of the story? Who is the main character in the story? Dr. Sadao Hockey. Who is the main character? Dr. Sadao Hockey. Next one, the chief concern for Sadao's father was. What was the chief concern for Sadao's father? Sadao's wedding, Sadao's education, Sadao's migration, Sadao's treatment. So what is correct option? Sadao's education. Next one. Sadao went to America when he was. How old he was? 42, 22, 50, 18. He was 22 years old. It can also be asked how old he was when he returned. He was 30 years old when he returned from America. Now, question number 4. Those islands yonder, they are the stepping stones to the future for Japan. These words were spoken by Sadao's father, mother, nephew, wife, father. When he went to South Seas. Next one, question number 5. Sadao went to America to learn. For what he went to America? Psychiatry, surgery and medicine, music, fine arts. Surgery and medicine. Next one. Sadao became not only a surgeon but also an astronomer, a scientist, a pianist, a vocalist, a scientist. Question number 7. He was not sent abroad with the troops because. What was the reason he was not sent abroad? The general needed an operation. His wife did not let him go. He wanted to stay back. His father did not allow him to go. The general needed an operation. Next one. Name of Sadao's wife. It's very easy. The second most important character in this story. Mary, Hannah, Christine, Judy. It's very easy. Hannah. Sadao and his wife had how many children? Two, one, three. No children. So what is our answer? Two children. Next one. When the body of the soldier was washed ashore, Sadao was with. Who was with Sadao? His servants, his guard, his wife, his kids. His wife. Option C is correct option. 11. At first Sadao thought the man was a. What was the thinking of Sadao at first? The man was a what? Fisherman, criminal, politician, singer. Fisherman. He thought he was a fisherman because nearby villages were of fishing villages. Next one, question number 12. The man found by Sadao and Hana was a white man, a black, a Japanese, and Anglo Indian. a white man, because Hannah said a white man in surprise. Question number 13. So thou at first decided to treat the soldier, throw him back in the sea, hand him over to the police, make him unconscious. So what was the first thing decided by Sadao? It was first decided to throw him back in the sea. And they had a discussion, both Hana and Sadao had a discussion, but none of them did this. The wounded soldier belonged to Russian Army, US Navy, the British Army, the Japanese Army, United States of America Navy, that is US Navy. Next one. Sadao and Hana decided to take the soldier. Where? Inside their house, to the police station, to the movie theater, to the park. Where? Inside their house. Further, they cured him. Both Sadao and Hana thought that keeping the wounded soldier in their house would win them a reward, endanger all of them, arouse police suspicion, make the servants angry. So, which option? Endanger all of them. Next one. The soldier was kept in where? Sadao's drawing room, Sadao's father's room, Sadao's servant quarter, Sadao's study room. Now you can easily answer it. Sadao's father's room, which was empty because of the death of his father. Question number 18. The first treatment Sadao gave the wounded soldier was the very first thing. What was done? His wounds were washed, he was operated upon, he was fed, his wounds were dressed. First of all, his wounds were washed. Next one, 19. Hana wanted the soldier to be washed by the servant Yumi, the grandfather, the policeman, the security guard. Very first option, the servant Yumi, who further denied to wash him. Question number 20. The reaction of the servants when told about the injured person was. What was the reaction of servants when told about the injured person? Was they got angry, they were frightened, they were willing to help, they ran away. They got frightened. सब के सब डर गए थे. Next one, 21st. The servants wanted the master. What was the wish of the servants? To operate upon the soldier. They wanted their master to operate upon the soldier, to heal the wounds, to throw him in the sea, to let him just die. They wanted to let him just die. Next one. When Yumi refused to help, Hana told her that she could get out of the house, go back to the baby's room, go and cook food. She and Sadao would hand him over as a prisoner after making him conscious. What was told by Hana? Hana told that she and Sadao would hand him over as a prisoner after making him conscious. Next one. Sadao was assisted during the operation by who assisted Sadao? Yumi, Hana, his gardener, his driver, his wife, Hana, with anesthetic. Question number 24. While Sadao was operating upon the wounded soldier, Hana had to rush out too. For what reason? She started retching to vomit. उल्टी करने के लिए उसको बाहर भागना पड़ा. Next one, 25. Hana assisted Sadao in giving the soldier. I just told you she gave the soldier anesthesia. So, anesthetic. Question number 26. Sadao removed the bullet from close to soldiers. Which organ? Heart, liver, kidney, lungs. किस organ के नजदीक से गोली निकाली उसने? It was kidney. What was the organ? Kidney. Question number 27. Sadao kept addressing the soldier as. Usually, he called all his patients while operation my friend. So he called him habitually because of his habit. He called him my friend, although he was his enemy. Next one, the recovering soldier was fed by whom? Who fed him? किसने उसको खाना खिलाया? Hana, Sadao's wife. Hana fed him. 29th, Sadao had to shout at the soldier of the third day because what was the reason he shouted? He had to shout. He had gone out of the room, he was sitting up, he was reading the newspaper, he was talking to Yumi. He was sitting up. Next one. The name of the prisoner as told to Hana was. What was the name he told to Hana? He told his name was Tom. Next one, 31st. The day Sadao opened the soldier's stitches, what did he do that day? Called the police, typed out a letter to the chief of the police, made him run away, tied him up, typed out a letter to the chief of the police. Next one, 32. On the seventh day after the operation, what happened? Two things happened. All the servants of Sadao left together. The police raided the house. The prisoner ran away. Sadao told the general about the prisoner. Very first option, all the servants of Sadao left together. All the three servants, cook, old gardener, along with Yumi, the governess. Why are we different from other Japanese? This was said by. Who said these words and to whom? It can also be asked. These words were spoken by Hana to Dr. Sadao. Next one. The messenger had come to Sadao's house. This was the second thing happened on the seventh day after the operation. The messenger had come to Sadao's house to. For what reason? To arrest him, to arrest the prisoner, to arrest Hana, to call Sadao to the old general's house. Last option, to call Sadao to the old general's house because he needed him. The general only wanted Sadao to operate upon him because why he wanted only Sadao should operate him. Sadao was very skilled. General did not like any other doctor. General was his close friend. General did not want to go abroad for surgery. Sadao was very skilled. Next one. The general wanted to send his private assassins to Sadao's house. Why? Kill Hana, kill Sadao, kill the prisoner, kill the gardener. He wanted to kill the prisoner. Next one. When the assassins did not come, Sadao decided to. When the assassins did not come to his house, Sadao decided to kill the prisoner himself, help him escape, hand him over to the police, send him to America, help him to escape. He gave him Japanese robe, Japanese clothes, and a boat. The young prisoner was asked to flash the light if food ran out. How many times? Twice, thrice, once, not at all. He was suggested to flash the light twice. And who suggested? Sadao. Next one, he told the prisoner to eat only. Sadao told the prisoner to eat only what? Raw fish, nothing else. He suggested do not cook anything, otherwise there will be smoke and you will be caught. 40. Sadao made the prisoner dressed up in. I just told you what kind of cloth was given to him. Japanese clothes. He was given Japanese clothes. 41. The generally not sending the assassins had been unpatriotic, patriotic, selfish for himself, helpful towards Sadao. So, what is our correct option? Selfish for himself. Next one, 42nd. Sadao got his reward when? What was Sadao's reward? The prisoner could escape when he got an award from the government, when his servants returned, when his wife appreciated him. The prisoner could escape. A is our correct option. So thou got his reward when the prisoner could escape. 43rd, that is second last in this video. So thou had been a victim in America of racial prejudice, unruly mob, impartial teachers, unfriendly classmates, racial prejudice. Next and last one. The American landlady had once helped Sadao when? How was he helped by American landlady? She nursed him through influenza, she gave him food for a month, she had mended his clothes, had not taken rent for a month. So very first option, she nursed him through influenza. I would like to remind you once again, hopefully you have attempted all and you have scored good marks. Do tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct.